Good morning, everybody. Pearl and Tracey here. Today we're opening number 25.
25, Christmas Day. What did the girls get on Christmas Day?
Oh, some badges.
They did. These ones are called flares, and they're our flares that match our wild collection. They are super fun. We hope you have had a fabulous Christmas and that you will have a very safe new year, which is coming up soon, and 2021 will be much better than 2020 was for most of us. Thank you so much if you bought the Advent kit. Thank you for dropping by every single day and watching us open what was in the Advent kit. If you did get the Advent kit, we hope you love all the range of products we put in there. It takes us a long time. We started literally working on this Advent kit in April, and it'll be almost straight after Christmas we'll start working on next year's. If you've got any feedback or any suggestions of what you'd love to see in next year's kit, we would love to hear from you. So send us an email, go to our Facebook page, write a comment on these YouTube videos, anything that you can let us know of how you would like to see in next year's kit. Thank you so much for watching. I think Pearl needs to go have a rest. We are going to say Merry Christmas from all of us here at Uniquely Creative, and hope you have a wonderful new year. Thanks guys. See you next year. Bye.
Bye.